Welcome back. Well, we have the old pros here, and it's the Cheryl and Sheila show. Say that 10 times, right? Hi, ladies. Happy New Year.
Well, Happy New Year to you, too.
And I'm glad you had a real fun time for your New Year's celebration.
Always. Didn't do anything extreme like I used to.
Oh.
I'm too old to go extreme
for
now.
goodness sakes, come on.
But she's roller skating again.
I am.
What?
I am.
Roller skating. Are you
Yes.
wearing all the pads and all that stuff?
I should have, when I fell, it would have been nice.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you do need to have some pads. Oh, my gosh, she's
We'll
silly.
have to see how long it lasts.
Yeah,
before she
I know,
breaks
before she breaks something or has a million bruises or something crazy like that. Well, welcome, ladies. So you have a couple of things that you want to talk about.
Absolutely.
Tell me about what's coming up on January 9th.
Okay, that's going to be T.S. Eliot's Cats, Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. Cats is, everybody's raving about the movie got lousy reviews, but I saw Cats when it first opened, and it's apparently T.S. Eliot, I was looking him up the other day, and he won a Nobel Prize, and he wrote many plays, he wrote many poems, and this is kind of quirky. This poetry of his is quirky about the cats. Now, people go and see Cats, and it's all the poem put to music, but people don't listen to the words. So we're going to have our new board.
Oh, new board.
They're each going to perform one poem, one cat's poem.
A cat. Now, why did you choose this one?
Well, there's 11 cats. There's 11 on the board.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, gee, did I say that? Perfect.
So smart. Pick up on everything. So
I try.
Actually, because there was so much buzz about the movie,
Sure.
I thought, well, this would be nice for people to actually hear the words.
That's a great idea.
So I'm going to try and get Mark, Hochberg, who plays piano. He'll play the intro, and then each cat will have a little bit of an intro, because the rhythm of the poems are different. Each one has a different rhythm. Okay. So I've got to rehearse them. They haven't had a rehearsal yet, so wait till I get on their case.
Oh, yeah, well, we know. Crack the whip, Sheila over here. And so, well, cool. So wait a minute. You're now part of, what are you doing for the Old Pros?
Oh, okay.
Well, tell them what cat you play.
Mr. Mistopheles.
Oh, Mr. Mistopheles.
Is that the president? I'm the president of Old Pros.
Okay.
So I get to do all the fun stuff like insurance, taxes, keeping everybody in line, telling everybody what to do, praying that they'll do it.
Oh, yeah. Well,
and then cleaning up after them.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. I mean, it's good to rotate every once in a while, so you get some fresh blood in there and have some new ideas.
Oh, yeah.
And Sheila has been on the board forever, and she chose to step down this year.
Yeah.
We will miss her. But you're not going anywhere.
Well, you're still going to be in the club. You're
They'll
just not,
call on me, I'm sure. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm getting more involved with the video things, and the podcasts, which we do over at the Video Club. So I'm trying to help them get a bit more publicity and get a bit more well known.
Okay.
Because they're not that well known. They think they are, but they're not.
Well, that's good. They have the equipment to be able to help you do some of the things that you're trying to do.
They've been brilliant. They've been absolutely wonderful.
Yes,
They have.
everything. Yes, they have.
Talk about...
Tales from the Woods.
Yeah.
Tales from the Woods. Season 2 is starting this month. Hopefully this
Soon.
week, but we're definitely this month. And we're bringing in not a whole new cast of characters, but we're bringing in new characters. It ended last month the last season ended with Jane's funeral. Right. And it's opening up with Sharon Morgana, meeting up with her high school boyfriend, and you never know what sparks might arise. And Sheila, who plays Eunice, her mother, is always frustrated.
Yes.
And
I've seen some early edits, and very interesting.
This season, we're also going to be showing bloopers, which there are many of.
Oh no!
When we shoot, we sometimes have to repeat something once or twice,
of course,
or 6
once
times.
Or twice.
Of course, right. Yeah. I had a blooper not too long ago that we actually shared, and it was quite interesting. You know, Downton Abbey. I thought he kept saying downtown. No, it's Downton Abbey. And so, anyway, I know how much fun it is to have a blooper. It's always hysterical.
Absolutely.
Oh, well, fun. Well, good. So you've got your new season going.
Yes.
And then we were talking a little bit about the podcast.
Yeah,
so you're helping them.
What we're doing today, we're having a meeting because we're going to do Love is in the Air for February.
Oh, nice.
We've got all kinds of love poems and love letters and things that we're going to put together as a broadcast. Maybe 3 or 4 broadcasts because we've got a lot of material, different people reading it. Also, here's another thing. We have a gentleman in the club, relatively new, who has studied in England. He's studied, I mean, he's brilliant and voice and everything. And he's going to, before you broadcast, the week before, you'll come with your piece that you're going to do, and he is going to coach you and he's going to give a workshop.
Wow.
Because, like he explained, and it's true, when you're on stage, even if you're reading, you're still moving and you're still looking at the audience and there's still some communication. When you're behind the microphone and nobody can see you, you've got to act with your voice.
Exactly.
Or, you know, it would help if you do move a little bit.
Right.
You know? So this is what he's going to coach for us.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yeah, so we're really excited about that.
Wow, that's nice.
So before you read, you get coached.
You get coached
Yeah.
for free.
Yeah.
That
for free.
is nice.
For free.
That's
yeah.
nice.
Actually, the Old Pros has really expanded from when I first came on board.
Yeah.
We've moved into television, we've moved into radio, we've
Yeah.
moved into, we are doing, our monthly meetings are now performances, reading performances. So they're actually great entertainment for people who aren't even in our club, just to come to our performance each month. It's really pretty delightful.
Right.
Yeah.
So we've really
Yeah.
moved in many places.
We're trying to do more sort of reading things for our meetings because, again, people cannot memorize. You know, it's very hard.
Right.
And you're only going to do one performance. So, again, this gentleman that I'm talking about, he's going to help with the reading performances
That's
too.
great.
Well, and with the Clubhouse 3 closing down, we had to punt, you know. And actually, we're going to be doing a performance next Christmas in Clubhouse 1, right? In Clubhouse 1, we'll be doing a Christmas show in Clubhouse 1 because God knows if the stage will be ready at that point.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. Well,
We're not getting in there.
well,
until-
let's not jump to conclusions at this point. They've got at least a year to work on it. So, you know,
And it will
hopefully,
be.
right?
It will be.
It should be, yeah. Well, wonderful. Well, congratulations on all of your success
Thank you.
in 2019.
Thank you. Yeah,
And
we will be seeing you, no doubt.
oh, yes, we look forward to 2020 with you crazy folks.
Bringing you up to date.
Excellent. Well, good for you, too, on being president. So
Thank you.
fabulous. All right. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, lovely Lisa.
I'm lovely, Lisa. All right. So if you have any comments or you want any information about what we talked about, you can go to ocoldpros.org. We'll be right back.
Mama used to